Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will set up the guns, and for guns you can download some guns from asset store. I have downloaded this low poly guns package which is totally free, and here you can see that we have certain guns with different styles, and we can just download these guns. So I will go for the assault 1. Let's add it, and we have the material for this. I will also try this assault 2 rifle, which is a little bit different, and we can just add material for this as well. And if we go for assault 3, yeah, this is also a little bit different. And if we go for assault 4, we can actually add the assault 4 as well. So yeah, that's great. I will just select these guns because the size of guns are too big, so we'll just go here and prefab and unpack prefab, and then I will just go to here and we'll just scale these guns because guns are bigger, 0.2 and 0.2 and 0.2, and let's move it here, and maybe it looks good. I think yeah, I think this size is better. And okay, I will just hide these 3 guns to recheck to check the things with 1 gun only. And yeah, I think this looks good. If you see, this gun scale is fine, I think. Okay, so yeah, scale is great. And now we will just make these guns as a prefab. So because the scale was different, and now we will actually go to low poly, and I will just drag drop this assault 1, assault 2, assault 3, assault 4 prefabs, and now we can actually delete these prefabs here. So now if we place this, you can see this gun is like this, and that is great actually. And we can now move all of these guns here, and now we will just add these guns under the soldier. I will just unpack the guns again. It's not very necessary, but it's good. And under spine, if we extend the spine, you can see we have a spine 2, spine, and the main spine. So under spine 2 we will add these guns. So under spine 2 I will just create a empty object, and I will just name this object as a weapons. And now the thing is, the weapon is actually towards this side. Okay, so I will just delete it. I want to keep it straight, although it's not very necessary, but you can do that if you want. So I will just go to main soldier and right click, and again I will press empty, and I will name it weapons like this. And now I will just drag drop this weapons inside spine 2, and then I will just make these I will just move this weapon object little bit here maybe. Okay, it's not necessary, but you can do that, and that is better thing. And then we will just move these rifles under this weapons, okay, section. And now if we play the game, hopefully the rifles will be attached to our player, and you can see that if when we move, these rifles also move. Okay, and yeah, and in the idle position these looks good, but if we move forward, you can see that the gun is a little bit different. The animations are actually a little bit different, but no problem, we will fix this in animation rigging section. So yeah, we have added the guns successfully. In the next video we will move further. Goodbye.